Hello friends, welcome back to Cyber School. This video is about an interesting topic. You saw it in the video thumbnail. So, friends, this video is about artificial intelligence. Subscribe my channel before going to this video. Artificial intelligence, AI, is like the spark of imagination that brings machines to life, giving them the ability to think and learn in ways that once only humans could. Imagine a world where your computer isn't just a tool but a companion that understands your needs, predicts your desires, and even learns from your behavior to serve you better. This is the promise of AI, a field of computer science that has evolved from simple beginnings into a force transforming our world. The story of AI begins with the dream of creating machines that could mimic human intelligence. In the mid-20th century, a group of visionary scientists embarked on this journey, inspired by the idea that if we could understand the workings of the human brain, we could replicate it in a machine. The early days were filled with excitement, hope, and challenges, as the complexity of human thought proved difficult to capture. AI's evolution can be seen as a series of breakthroughs and setbacks, much like a hero's journey. In its early stages, AI was limited to performing specific tasks, like playing chess or solving mathematical problems. These were known as narrow AI, systems designed to excel at a single task but lacking the flexibility and understanding of a human mind. However, these early successes laid the foundation for something greater. As AI developed, it began to branch out, exploring new territories like language understanding, vision, and even creativity. Machine learning, a subset of AI, emerged as a powerful tool, allowing computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time. It was as if the machines were now able to grow and adapt, learning from their experiences just like we do. One of the most captivating aspects of AI is its ability to understand and process vast amounts of information at lightning speed. Picture a detective solving a complex mystery, piecing together clues from millions of sources to uncover the truth. AI, with its data-crunching capabilities, can do this in seconds, identifying patterns and making connections that would take humans years to discover. This power is being harnessed in fields ranging from medicine to finance, where AI is helping to diagnose diseases, predict market trends, and even create personalized experiences for consumers. But with great power comes great responsibility. The rise of AI has sparked debates about ethics, privacy, and the future of work. Will AI take over jobs, leaving humans behind? Or will it create new opportunities, enhancing our abilities and allowing us to focus on what truly matters? These are questions that society must grapple with as AI continues to evolve. In the end, AI is a tool, a powerful, transformative tool that holds the potential to change the world. But like all tools, its impact depends on how we choose to use it. As we stand on the brink of this new era, the story of AI is still being written, and it's up to us to decide the role it will play in our lives. Will it be the hero that helps us overcome our greatest challenges, or will it become a force that we struggle to control? The answer lies in our hands, and in the choices we make today. Okay, friends, this is the end of today's video. I will come back soon with a new one. So like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.